ain't never be another like me, cause I'm just another young cold nigga from the south. Let him ride a chrome rock and go to the...
You know, you should do it right before you smoke, or before or after. That vapor rub shit, bro. That shit.
What the fuck?
It open your nose up, because when I smoke, my nose always gets stuffy. I don't know why. What if I'm like, I have allergies to weed? That'd be crazy.
You just a bitch.
Yeah, definitely. Well, niggas, some niggas can't eat fucking peanut butter, bro, or drink milk, and I'm a bitch.
Yeah, you still a bitch. They bitches too. Imagine not be able to eat something that God made himself, bro.
Yeah,
He don't fuck with you at that point.
You can't stand the sun for long. So are you a bitch?
I can't what?
Oh, I see his ass. Go this way. I'm in a tool storage.
I'm in the South Tunnel again. This is the same map, ain't it?
Oh, this is a gas station tunnel, so I think so. I don't know.
You're gonna get out,
Call
okay?
me.
You will, Julie.
Yeah, talk to yourself, man. Geniuses talk to themselves. A sign of brilliance, resilience. Hey, I have a door open. I'll open that bit.
This'll help.
Alright.
Wish me luck.
Bro, Leland, bro. Yo,
What happened?
ugly
He moved?
ass. Yeah, it's right in front of me, bro. Nah, I'm gonna get missing on his eye.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Close the door right here.
So I got one open. I take that. I take that. I take that. I take that. I take that.
Bro, this dude is making so much noise, bro. Like,
I just picked this one, bitch.
oh shit, that bitch is right there.
How did this happen? How do people like
Always carry 2 lockpicks on y'all, man. Convenient, smart.
Okay, it's open.
I found a fuse. But the cook is right over there. Should I risk it?
Yes, fuse is for downstairs exit, bro. It's the basement exit.
Okay, you slip. You slip.
Hey, what's this?
Take that. Damn, they're both right here, bro.
I need a lockpick, I think. Yeah, I need one more lockpick. Where do I get it from?
Did it be a scene?
Did he see me? He didn't see me? Fucking bozo.
I think I got the fuse. I'm gonna go do the downstairs exit, bro. Get up, bitch. And I found it. Oh, how do I open it though? How do I open the fuse box? Where's the fuse box at? Cut, where's the fuse box down here?
No, the fuse box is upstairs. And it opens the downstairs thing.
Oh, that's it.
Kanan, so give me a lockpick.
No, bro. Why are you running towards me, bro? Oh my fucking god, bro.
No lockpicks in here. Fuck.
I think I can make it.
Bro, like, bro, this set me up so bad. Oh my god, this game.
Oh my god, if I finesse
I
this.
tried to close the door and
Oh,
it
what up,
closed in
bro?
front of me.
I'm just playing with friends right now, bro.
A lockpick?
The one here talking is my good friend, Mr. Kanan. Mr. Sabo.
Yo, yo, yo.
Oh man, I can do it. I can do it.
I was
can
supposed
do
to
it.
get out of there, bro. Leland ran right towards me, bro. Set me up, bro. Had
Listen,
both
bro.
killers on me.
I'm finna open up.
I'm dead as fuck.
What's happening? Fuck. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I got one more step, then I'm done. One more fucking step. Fuck me now.
Chicken fuck to you.
I'm going good. Car's over there. She's right there. Oh my god. So, what's up, bro? Where you from? Oh, fuck. Oh, no. I'm fucked, aren't I?
She looked like she was running right towards your ass.
Oh my god! I won like 4 or 5 games total, but this might be one of my best ones if I get this off. Oh fuck! Please leave.
Bro, they surrounded your ass.
Please leave. What they doing? I'm nowhere here, bro. What the fuck? Yes, one left.
Out of there. No way,
I'm
out of there.
I'm going. Fuck you, Grandpa.
Last name?
Yeah. I'm out. Fuck you.
Chicken.
I'm going.
Oh yeah, this is the one with the long ass street. Okay, I remember this.
I'm going. Oh my god, bro. I'm out of here, bro. Bro, I did not know, bro. I did not know how they see me, bro. How did they see me, bro? Oh my god. Can she about me? Oh, did you can?
Yeah.
Fuck, that's not good.
Go this way. Go right, go right.
I'll watch you go. I'll watch your back. Keep going. I'll tell you when to come. She's like right behind us. You good, you good, you good. Alright, watch my back, watch my back.
Yeah.
I want to do one more, cause I do it fast.
Hey, he's not biting so good. I see a door over there, but it's a fused one.
Just keep going around.
What do I do with this?
Oh, yeah, there's one right here, too.
Just think.
All of us right here, bitch.
There's got to be a way out.
I don't like everybody gathering on one, but fuck it, one can work.
What is this place?
Hey, I'm the fastest one here. I'm a slide. Nigga, hurry the fuck up, nigga. Man, you were like, nigga, hurry up.
Stop being in the back of their head.
That'd be fucked up. He right here! Damn, Cole!
Imagine not he not doing this shit. Oh hell nah. Big coming, big coming.
No.
Big coming.
I see myself. Cole, we all gotta sprint upstairs, Cole. Okay.
Go. Go. Oh, we all got spotted.
We split.
I'm going with your ass.
I have to find the others.
No.
Oh, this is the one this one's pretty.
Come on, can
Oh, valve right here,
Where? Oh,
I
come
got a
on.
valve handle.
Good. Duck.
You're gonna get out, okay? You will.
I need you to watch my back.
Alright.
Alright, come on. Let's go. Let's go make noise. Go in there.
Which way? In here?
Yeah. Go up right here. Take this left. There's a door right here. Watch my back again.
Alright. Oh, you got another one?
Yeah. So that's how you care too, son.
This is a nightmare.
Oh my god, bro.
Thank God. Are they gone? They can't be, right?
Alright, listen. I think I'm gonna get another one. Watch my back. Fuck. Hide somewhere. Hide.
Wait, see it there?
I don't know. Like I see glowing shit. He's coming down somewhere. Oh, the fucking listen, Kanan. I'm gonna need you to shut off the power, so we can leave soon. You see that car? Wait, sit still.
Oh shit, I think a bit might see me.
Fuck.
Oh, never mind, I'm good. I see the little shit on my screen though. I don't see their ass though.
Alright, Kanan.
Oh, she see me.
Go in and run out. Like you know the route. Shake her inside. I'm turning off the car battery. Do this.
Oh shit, she's right on my ass, bro.
Cause you gotta do, cuz you got abilities, cuz. I'm turning off the car battery. I'll tell you to come back around.
You got it?
Not yet. I have to unlock it.
Cause she's on her ass, cuz. Oh, she turned it back on.
It takes time.
My.
Kanan, are you behind me?
Yeah, but she's chasing me, bitch.
Come on.
Oh shit.
Let's go. Go! Go! Look at me talking about.
When I tell you, I was taking the fuck out of that bitch. I was taking the fuck out of her.
Hey, man. God, don't. Wow. Stop it.
Should have never came here looking for that.
Grandpa. I have blood for you, Grandpa. I'm sorry. Here you go, Grandpa.
It always tastes best when it's fresh, don't it?
Yo. Oh, you guys are all over the place. 1, 2. I'm coming for you. 3, 4.
You should know better than that.
You're dead.
Come on out now.
Dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. 1, 2. I'm coming for you. 3, 4. Ah! You're dead. You're dead. Ah! Don't run. Don't hide. It's me. Ah.
Make it back to my home. Yeah, ain't no love for the life I chose. Can't live for the likes and the hoes. I still need something to ignite my soul. Lost faith when the night got cold. Nobody's fault but my own. I'ma be traveling back on this road. I told all my niggas.